push this button to help you release the nameplate of the Keebox puzzle. This now gives us a little bit more insight of what's going on inside the puzzle. It looks like we need to find a tool to help us unscrew this here. We can see this is the orange piece that was pushing behind there. Then we can now move this piece out of the way. There's arrows there. There's an orange piece here. If we look at the back of the puzzle, you can see there is a maze going on inside the puzzle. Then if we flip over to this side, there are sliders here with symbols on it. We may have to somehow figure out how those symbols are going to link together. We have these 3 knobs on the top of the puzzle. This one looks like it will come out. This one, like neither of these ones push in. They do twist a little bit, so maybe we'll have to do something with twisting on those. There is a couple like openings here and a little piece here. Looks like maybe we need something to connect through there. And that's all we really get so far on the puzzle. You can kind of see through this hole on the back of the puzzle. It looks like there's something to push there maybe. Next, let's flip over the box, and if we pull this piece back, we can flip over the box to find the first tool in the sequential discovery box. This puzzle is going to have many tools along the way to help us solve it. If we take this and we push it in here, we can release this box to reveal another piece hidden within here. Now this piece looks relatively similar to this piece on the front of the puzzle. Maybe we can get this piece out and use it as a screwdriver. Take this piece off and we can lift it off of the box. Now we have a screwdriver to help us with this part of the puzzle in the front here. There is a little ball bearing inside of here, so I'm wondering if we twist this, this will release the ball bearing into that maze that we see on the back of the puzzle. Okay, so we can twist it that way. We can't, so we just have to twist it the one way, I'm guessing, to open it. Yeah, and then it opened up a little spot where that ball bearing can now drop in. There we go. Now I think I released it into there. So the maze on the back of the puzzle kind of coordinates with this ball right here. You can see the ball is stuck in right here. If we move it over here, you can see it in that spot. It's kind of hard to show on camera. And then if we push this button here, it falls through onto this side. So the ball is right behind here at this moment. We can now tip it over and it falls kind of over here, and it's in this top track here now. Okay, so I can kind of see it through this part on the front here. The ball is there, and then we want it to... Okay, so now we have the ball bearing right here. So now we have to use these tools on the box here to help us solve the puzzle on this side of the box here. If we take this piece and we slide it in here, you can see that isolates the heart symbol. By pulling this piece out here, you can see we have the lightning symbol. And so if we go over here, we can use the heart symbol here. Then we can move this one to the lightning symbol, and the last one goes to the D. Now we should be able to twist this piece and release it from the puzzle. Now you can see there are threads on this piece, and there was that drawer inside of there that had the threads on it. So if we take this piece and we insert it inside of here, we've got to do a reverse thread and rotate it in counterclockwise. We can get it locked onto there, but if we pull this up at this point, we actually don't have anything moving just yet. If we push this in, we still can't get anything moving. We have to get that ball bearing to the correct spot. So you can see the ball bearing right now is in this part of the maze. If we work it down into here, we need to keep it here, move it up, and move it to the last part of the maze here. And then if we get it to drop down into the correct part here, we can now get it in here. Next, push this button to release the drawer to find the Keebox 1 token.